3 minutes left on the clock for them. Me and Issa are still here. They're still drawing. And Issa, did they go on one team? There's Zora and Zora. They did it. Okay, we're going to be judges again. Are we going to be judges again?
I'm not gonna be what?
Are we going to be still the judges? Okay, good. Change your screen back to normal, Issa. Change your screen back to normal, Issa. It looks weird.
Yes? Okay, guys. What?
Show me the pictures. Show me the pictures. And turn yourself back to normal. I want to see the real picture. Issa, I can't see anything when you do that.
That's honestly called a hill with a playground in the sun. It's really a hill with a playground and it's water. Wait. And water. Stop.
Issa!
Let me see the camera. This is Zara. This is Zara.
Zara? Where's Zora?
This is mine.
Huh?
This is mine.
Okay, that's the babysitter.
That's Zara's.
Okay.
And that's Zora's. But don't tell us what you think you're winning it. What do you think?
Issa, I think I might pick Zara. I think I might pick Zara.
What?
Issa! Issa, hello?
開唔開都得啫，我話因為你可能你對嗰啲係直倉，人哋想減稅，你明唔明啊？所以我呢邊都有 receipt 俾佢。有。
佢睇下價錢，因為我係從中執啫嘛。如果我上去咁遠嘅地方車，我冇3、4蚊賺，我唔做嘅。
我知道，所以我而家我話俾你聽，佢哋而家嗰邊就好缺稅，就不斷就叫我可唔可以有稅。所以我因為呢一個農民咧，佢平時係將啲稅俾啲工人㗎嘛，咁我話佢俾晒我，咁我哋做啲啦，我俾晒我話幾多錢啊？佢話係唔好講啦，由佢啦。
因為佢嘅地方如果唔大咧，咁如果佢實數做埋一次都 OK 嘅。
佢咪200隻300隻數咁樣咯，一次。
咁咪好爽咯！你稅咗好多啊！
我唔知啊，咪你睇下今次咪200隻好處咁跟住上個月個批尾。
Okay guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. We'll make another part, but